Welcome back to the Potty's Adventures. I've got another episode today. We're going to be doing the hard top sanding again. This will be hopefully the final finish of it. I want to try and smash out pretty much 99% of it now. Today I'm going to have my daughter, my oldest one, Kaylee.
Hi.
We're going to be showing you a bit of a special gift to me because my birthday was coming up. The wife gave me a present. She bought me a Potty's Adventures t-shirt. This is Mikey 2020. Alright, stay tuned. It's all sanded now. I used the belt sander just to rip it through. Same thing, you can see all the spots where I'm just going to bog now. Those bubbles where the fiberglass is, that was just the fiberglass lifting a bit, but I'm just going to cut that out and just rebog it, be fine. It's not really going to take any of the strength out of it. What's this stuff?
Fiberglass?
No. Body filler.
What's that thing?
Hmm?
It looks like fiberglass.
Oh man. Can't wait to get this done.
Take turns. Just don't spill it.
And a bit there. It is. What do you know what this is?
Dynamite drop.
You're doing recording.
Can I mix it? Can I mix
Keep
it?
putting the hands in the way though.
Can I mix it?
No, Daniel's taken out. I'm gonna be sanding the outside of the boat. All the stuff, all the bog is now all screeded into little divots and stuff. Yeah, we're gonna get cracking.
I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find. Don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down. I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find. Don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down.
Oh, that was a full-on day. Sanding. Probably worse than fiberglassing. But I am so close for it to be done. very close. I will show you what needs to be done. Maybe 1 hour, 2 hours sanding left. No, probably an hour. And it's done. All sanded. There is a couple of little spots what I need to do, but all this whole one side and the other side's done. That there, it was just the second layer of the bogged body filler. Just run that over quick with the belt sander, then that will be done as well. And at the back here, all done. I just got to take that bolt out and I'll just fiberglass that in there. So it's like this. Transom will be fixed. It's not much in there. I don't have to do the whole back. I just got to do that bit there and there. Over here. All this is done. Only bits what I got to do is here, up there, here, with the resin. Same thing up the top, just needs to get a belt sander on it. The top and the sides literally will take probably 10 minutes. And then just got to do that. Take that silicone off. Up the top there, just a little bit of light sand. That one, same thing up here. Just all these little resin bits. Then it's done. Right, all that has now been sanded. This side has now been done. except for just a couple of little bits. One bit in here, in here. Around here. There. That heated with a belt sander. 5-minute job. What I was telling you about before, it's just that little bit there. All this is done. All here. Don't need to do that because it's going to be cut out. There's no point. And lucky last here and there. Very happy with the outcome. I'm just going to do probably an hour or two more sanding. Tidy little bits up. And then we'll prep for the paint. Exciting. For another episode, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you next time. See you later.